Good afternoon, all brother and sister in Dhamma. I thank you so much. Let me listen today. Today, our topic is the art of thinking. This topic is difficult for me. In our life, there are three types of action. These are verbal action, mental action, and body action. Verbal action is a matter of a mental action. If our mind is good, our verbal and body action is always good. Proper attitudes, yonis or manasikaras, rise for good thinking. Judicial considerations or wherever we come across every day is called good thinking and wholesome minds. The Jonis or Manasikaras will rise to us good thinking and wholesome actions. So, Jonis or Manasikara is very important for us. The Jonis or Manasikaras arise from reading them both which give us good thinking, especially the marbles. Most of us, we can good thinking from the wise persons. If we read the good post, the marbles, or if we learn from wise, we can arise good thinking. Good reading the marble and the reading, understanding that the marble is the same. The Masavanas, if we read the marble and here the marble is, we can give 5 benefits. These 5 benefits are getting fresh knowledge and understanding known first more clearly. 3. Resetting all satisfaction and doubt. 4. Acquiring right beliefs and enhancing our wisdom and faith. So we can give good thinking from reading the marble and from hearing the Dhammatos. In our Buddhism, especially disciples of Buddhas, 2 types in sadhanas. These are Pariyatti, theory, and Patipatti, practically. In theory, Pariyatti, thinking is very important for us. And both students and monks and bhikkhunis used to study teaching of Buddhas and system examination. We will be about to this examination. We need to, or we must thinking surely. If we can thinking more and more, we can assist examinations. So we practice and we learn our lessons, and we practice thinking to can assist examination. So that the thinking is very important for us. In the practically, thinking is important, but also while we are practicing insight meditation, and we had no need to thinking because insight meditation is we focus our present times. If, if we can practice and we can focus present times our objects, we can realize our inside knowledge more and more. But also, there are eight noble truths is Samasati, Samasankappa, Samavayama, and so on. This Samasankappa is right thinking. Right thinking is very important to Noble Eightfold Path. In while we are practicing insight meditation, we use the right thoughts and right thinkings. How to use right thought, right thinkings? Example, if we about to focus rising or falling, and we at first we attend to our mind, our object rising, and we attend to our mind, focus our object falling, and so on. This is a right thought and a right thinking, because of we always focus our attention on our objects. This is right thinking or right thought. And for example, if we about to have a potato cheese or potato, we focus this potato and we take and carry the potato and we aim this potato chips. This is a right aim or right thinking. So every week practicing insight meditation, we used to focus our objects. This is right thing or right thought or right thinking. So in our daily lives, right thinking or the art of thinking is very important. Thank you so much for your attention.